Okay, so hi dear Gemini, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general 7 days, 7 tarot messages for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 20th till the 26th of July 2026. Keep in mind this is general. This might not resonate. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Let's see Gemini, the overall energy for Gemini people for this week. Let's see what we have. Hmm. So we have the Devil card, addictions, codependencies, unhealthy patterns, unhealthy chapters. So your overall energy is going to be being aware of these people, situations, and things around you that are addictive, unhealthy, that are toxic, that are not good for you. It can be related to alcohol or substances or those kind of things, gambling, like something like that. That's not good for you, and you guys are getting addicted to these energies. For others of you, it can be relationships or it can be connections or bonds, unhealthy kind of attachments towards certain kind of people or situations that you know are not good for you, but they are keeping you trapped somehow. For 20th, we have the Queen of Wands. You are going to look very good. You are going to feel very good. There is going to be change in your personality, in your energies, in your aura. You will be looking physically very, very good and fantastic and attractive, especially if you guys are working out or doing something about your looks. There is this energy of taking some kind of action also regarding your manifestation. If you're manifesting something, you are going to be very inspired to take some kind of action in that direction. 21st, we have the Hierophant. Either you are going to connect with a mentor, guru, healer, or attending some kind of spiritual or religious ceremony or something like that. That is going to make you feel very much connected to your soul again. It's like you guys are going to be quite inspired to start some kind of spiritual or religious things in your life and stay in touch with your spiritual side also, or connecting or reconnecting with your spiritual side also. For most of you, it's like connecting with healer or spiritual mentor or guru or somebody who is going to guide you to go through the process of spirituality in a positive way. 22nd, we have the World card. There is going to be a completion of a cycle. Some kind of chapter is ending in your life, although it's like almost over. There is some kind of unfinished business that you guys will be dealing with. For some of you, it's like traveling abroad or relocation or changing your environment in some way. But whatever it is going to be almost done. But some kind of residual energies are going to be there that you guys have to deal with in some way. Okay. So completion of a cycle, something ending, a brand new chapter starting, but some residual energies that you guys will be working on. Let's say, for example, you are visiting to USA and everything is set, everything is done. You are going there, but certain documentations or certain things are going to be there that you guys have to work on once you are going to reach there. Just an example. 23rd, we have the Moon card. There is going to be a lot of mysterious and secretive kind of thoughts and energies around you. You will not be able to process each and everything very clearly. Things are going to be unsaid, unresolved, or unexpressed. Things are going to be quite uh, in this energy of, I don't know what's happening. I don't know how to manage things. In a particular area, you are not going to be sure and clear. You will not be able to figure out what's exactly going on and how to manage a certain situation in your life. And that's going to make you feel a little bit off. 24th, we have the Two of Swords. It's like things being up in the air. You guys are going to feel mentally blocked and emotionally blocked in a situation where you guys will not be able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of you, about a situation that is keeping you emotionally and mentally trapped, but you guys are not able to figure out how to proceed further. Basically, things are up in the air in a particular situation, and you guys will be in this energy of trying to figure them out, but it's not happening. 25th, we have the high priestess. Now you are going to be mostly inwards. You are going to be mostly with yourself, doing your own thing. People are going to think like you are not interested in talking to them, or you are not interested in having any kind of bond or connection with them. It's not like that. You will be just mostly inwards. You will be just mostly doing your own thing, enjoying your own company. For those of you who are working on their spirituality, like on a regular basis, this is going to be one of those days where you will be going inwards and trying to use new techniques or new methods, and not letting the other people know what's going on. 26, we have the four of swords. A lot of healing and detachment is happening. It's like you guys trying to detach from the outside world and healing yourself from something or someone, and taking a break or taking a pause, okay, right now, by the end of this week, because you guys feel like this is important. Hmm. Okay, so mostly you are going to be doing your own thing, living in your own world, sorting your own things out within yourself, and not being too much like a social butterfly or something for this week. Beware of the addictions and the codependencies. Hmm. Let's see the final message for you guys as the guidance for this week, Gemini. We have the Nine of Cups. Okay, the wish fulfillment, the desire of yours that you are hoping for and waiting for to come in your life, it's about to come. Just make sure you are going to keep your heart open, keep your energies open to receive this blessing, to receive this happiness. Okay, that's the deal for you guys for this week. Gemini, hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.